How to go viral on YouTube using TikTok. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this video. So let's get started right away. So as you probably know, I converted this channel to a tutorial channel, but I first made animation videos about the popular streamer Corpse Husband. Several videos have gone viral thanks to TikTok. So today I'm going to show how to go viral on YouTube using TikTok. So the first thing you need is a YouTube video that you want to go viral, but it must be publicly online on YouTube. Next, make sure you send 1 minute or less of the best part of the video to your phone. Via your phone, you can place this piece of video on TikTok. Then make sure you have a TikTok account which is linked to your YouTube channel. And this is how you do it. On your TikTok profile, go to Edit Profile. And then click Add YouTube Channel to your profile and log in with your YouTube channel. This will make it easy for viewers of the video on TikTok to click through to your YouTube channel. Then you post the video on TikTok. And clearly mention in the text that the entire video can be found on your YouTube channel. You can also add hashtags to make your video easier to find. And because of TikTok's algorithm, your video on TikTok has a much higher chance of going viral compared to YouTube. Therefore, through this way, you redirect all the viewers you have on TikTok to your YouTube channel. This trick has given me tons of views. Trust me. So, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and I'll see you on the next one.